Want to know how to mute post from someone on Threads app? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to mute post from someone on Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open Threads app on your screen. Then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the search bar at the top of your screen and search for the profile you want to mute post on Threads app. Here, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. A menu will appear. Tap on the mute option right below the About This Profile option. Finally, a confirmation message will appear. Tap on the mute post option. So this is how you can mute post from someone on Threads app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.